In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can completely remove Internet Explorer from your computer. So what you're going to want to do is go to Control Panel, then uninstall a program, and you're going to want to head over here to where it says Turn Windows Features On or Off, and click on that. And then where it says Internet Explorer, it will say a different version depending on how updated your system is or when you watch the video. But for me, it's Internet Explorer 11, and just check that off. It'll tell you that it will affect other features. You really don't have to worry about it. No one likes Internet Explorer. And then just press yes. Then press OK. And then just give that a second. It's going to search for required files. Apply the changes. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and press Restart Now.